Apisi mar Attorney General onyono kar tiendeni ne ok ochopo e kar kwano bulu mar Bomas of Kenya mar mino bad jakom mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati mondo lok duoko mar tend piny. Okil Jojo Raro mane loso elo apisi mar Attorney General owacho ni duol mochung' ne ng'ado rieko ne sirikal e weche mag arita mapacho ka nochopo kanyo e yorgi mar tich mar ng'eyo chenro mane dhi nyime mondo konygi e chiwo paro ne jatend piny.
Before you by the chairman was that he had gone to tally to obtain the final tally only after he had met the commission, and that is found at paragraph 676 of his affidavit, where he says that after the NSAC team had left, the Commission Secretary, Chief Executive Officer, who was also the alternate team leader of the tallying center, Marjan Hussain, walked into the boardroom. Yeah. The purpose of the meeting was to receive the final tally of the results of the presidential elections before he could proceed to declare. And it is only thereafter that the results were handed to the commissioners and they walked out. NSAC is a body comprised of all the heads of the security organs in this country, the head of civil service, the representative of Attorney General, and other heads in the government. Its purpose is to receive all the information on national security and give advice, not act, but give advice, so that even if they are of the view that it is insecure to be in this court at this time, it is the NSC who will give advice to the judiciary, and that is not an interference with the independence.